Michelin has recently launched two amazing new tyres. First, the Michelin Pilot Sport 5 Energy. Second, the Michelin Primacy 5 Energy. Before I test these tyres, let's admire how beautiful the sidewall is. Come, let's have a look. Michelin has really mastered the sidewall design. With its black velvet, you can see almost from a far distance away the Michelin Pilot Sport 5 Energy. Everyone knows you're having a Michelin tyre just by looking at the sidewall. Same goes for the Primacy 5 Energy. You can see it miles away. So there's no doubt that this tyre looks beautiful. And for people who are actually buying tyres just because how beautiful they are, these two tyres are definitely something you should consider. Second, Michelin has inserted a new technology inside their tread, So you can see this from the far, but even in the velvet itself, you can even see, look, these black velvets are actually something truly innovative, and right now only these tyres have it. The main difference between the Pilot Sport 5 Energy and Primacy 5 Energy, so you can see less velvet, so only the Michelin sign in the Primacy 5 Energy, and some small serrations here. But overall, both tyre looks equally amazing. Next big question we should ask: should EV owners only use EV tyres? The quick, simple answer is no. As long as your speed symbol and load index matches your OE tyre, you're good to go. However, EV tyres do have some specialty. They are optimized for high mileage, low rolling resistance, and better wet. But this is the classic target conflict that every tyre developer faces. You cannot optimize everything in this triangle. However, Michelin has recently launched two of their energy lines and claimed that they can do this. So this is where I have a problem with the EV tyre marketing story. EV cars wanted good mileage, good rolling resistance, and wet grip. So does petrol cars. So instead of asking, is this an EV tyre? You should ask the question, is mileage, rolling resistance, and wet grip suitable for your requirements? And that's why I'm really interested in testing these two tyres. For me, energy doesn't mean EV. It means that Michelin has found a way to reduce losses while protecting the wet and mileage. So looking beautiful is the easy part. Next up, it's the performance. I'm going to test these two tyres in wet, mileage, and rolling resistance to find out whether Michelin has moved the triangle or not. Stay tuned for part 2.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.